My visa application was rejected 2 times before it got approved today. And there are a lot of things that I did not know that could go wrong once you are doing Saudi visit visa application. So in this video, I'm going to talk about these mistakes which could lead to Saudi visit visa application rejected. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Naresh Punia. And in today's video, we are going to talk about Saudi visit visa, the whole process. The first step of Saudi visit visa is first you apply for the visit visa. You go on visa.mofa.com, you authenticate yourself using NAFA, then you go to resident services and then you go to family visit visa application. You fill the application and you are done. So this is your first step. The second step is the Chamber of Commerce approval. Sometimes this approval is done by some agent or sometimes it's done by a company. I work in AECOM, so AECOM takes care of everything. So I just download my application in PDF, I send it to my HR and the HR will then do the Chamber of Commerce approval. This is your second step. Once you get this Chamber of Commerce approval, you'll get to see in your application. Then you'll see that your Chamber of Commerce is done by any authority. That will be written there. And your application will be valid for 1 month, 30 days. Once you do that, then you keep on checking your application. And once your application is approved, your process in Saudi Arabia is finished. You send that application to back home, whoever you are applying the visa for, and then they can go for VFS appointment and do all the process back home. But the most critical part is this part. Most people get their visa application rejected. Most people nowadays are getting their visa application rejected by various reasons. For me, the reason that they gave was that my address was not correct. They said that your application is rejected and we hope that you fill in your application again. So what did I do in the first instance? I put my Saudi Post Limited short address. Short address you get at SPL like Omda 5655. This is what I put, because in most of the places where you are getting your order delivered, you use this address. But surprisingly, this is not the address that you have to put. So once my application got rejected, we talked to a consultant. That consultant told me to use my city rather than my short address. So the second application that I put just my city, Riyadh. That was also got rejected. Before that, this was the case. You apply from any city, you just put your city name and you are done. You don't need to put anything else and your application was getting approved. But nowadays, your application is getting rejected because of the very same reason. Why that is happening? Because my company's headquarters is in Khobar and not in Riyadh. And every time I put my application, they were approving it from Eastern Chamber Authority. And Eastern Chamber Authority doesn't have Riyadh in their jurisdiction. So the third time I put my application, I use Al Khobar address, the same address where my headquarters are. I use the same street number, I use same district, and I use the same city, Al Khobar. And I put my application and it got approved. One more thing I want to talk about is, before I put this address, I thought that maybe I should put my entire address, not just a city. And I put my entire address and I got one application done, but that application chamber was not done. And then I put another application for Al Khobar and I did the Chamber of Commerce of that Al Khobar application while this application was still lying there. So if you are doing any application and you are not doing Chamber of Commerce, you can put up another request. There is no problem. Your another request can get accepted or rejected. But before this Chamber of Commerce that you have done, it is accepted or rejected, you cannot do another application and you cannot do another Chamber of Commerce application. This is what my experience has been. So how do you change your address? You go to your profile, you update your address and then you put your application. Before putting application, make sure you change your address. So another thing that people are talking about is use Arabic while filling out your application. Is it really worth it? So I have done 3 applications. The result of one application came in 3 days, another application came in 4 days and 10 days. So what is my experience? My experience is, if you use Arabic, yes, it is taking lesser time. When I did my application in English, it took 10 days. When I did my application in Arabic, it took 3 days. And the third time when I also did my application in Arabic, it took 4 days. Which day is the best day to do the application? Sunday is the best day to do the application. If you do your application in Sunday, then within 3 days you get a result. If you do your application in the later part of the week, it takes 4 days, provided you are filling your application in Arabic. So if you have any other doubt regarding the family visit visa in Saudi Arabia in December 25, then please put it down in the comments. I'll try to reply to all the comments. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.